Is your 3406E losing power, popping or backfiring, or increased emissions? You may be in need of a camshaft replacement in your Caterpillar 3406E. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Fix your 3406E the right way the first time. Install this new camshaft for your Caterpillar 3406E from Highway and Heavy Parts. Whether it's protecting the environment or getting better miles per gallon, the benefits to a new camshaft are undeniable, impacting the overall performance of your Caterpillar 3406E. This camshaft is made with billet steel and built to OEM specifications. Then, it's thoroughly tested for proper fit and function, ensuring an excellent finish for your 3406E. The camshafts we sell are made to go the distance, helping restore horsepower, torque, and improve overall fuel economy that can be lost due to a worn or damaged camshaft, making replacement critical to your Caterpillar 3406E. It's not just camshafts that can wear or fail. The camshaft bearings support the camshaft in the engine. Bearing failure can cause extensive damage to your camshaft and other vital parts of your engine. Fortunately for you, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered. Pick up some new cam bearings to go with your new camshaft and fully protect your investment under the hood. And don't forget to check out Highway and Heavy Parts' selection of valve-trained parts for your diesel engine, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 1-year parts warranty and industry-leading service from our ASC certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.